but let's do it. And back it up and locks it in place. Now I'm going to put a lighter spring on there. That spring is a little bit too heavy and it makes a loud popping noise, so I'm going to bring that spring down to about half that size. Now we are dealing with an 1¼ inch shaft, and as each video progresses, or maybe in this one I'll give you a few of the measurements. If you watched any of my other videos, you know I use that plate, and as this separates, you're able to adjust the blade accordingly. Got these wheels from tx-covers.com under the industrial section. That's a 1/58" blade. Something I must mention.